Do you ever feel like your pocket money just disappears too fast? Or maybe you want to save for something big, like a new gadget, a trip, or even your college fees? Well, what if I told you that as a student, you can make $10,000 without leaving your studies behind? Yes, it's possible. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Have you ever noticed how some students always seem to have extra money while others struggle just to buy small things like snacks or supplies? The truth is, it's not about being lucky or coming from a rich family. It's about knowing your own skills and using them smartly. Every student has something they are good at. Maybe it's writing, drawing, coding, teaching, or even organizing things. Even skills that seem small or ordinary can be valuable if used in the right way. The first step to making money as a student is figuring out what you can offer. Think about what you enjoy doing and what comes naturally to you. Then imagine how your skills could solve someone else's problem. People pay for solutions, not just skills. So if you can help someone with your talent, you can earn money while still studying. Don't worry if it seems small at first. Start by practicing, improving, and experimenting. Every small step builds your confidence and brings you closer to bigger opportunities. Discover your skills, believe in their value, and get ready to use them. Because this is the first step to making $10,000 as a student. Once you know what skills you have, the next step is to figure out how to use them to make money. This is where most students get stuck. They know they are good at something, but they don't know where to start or how to turn their talent into cash. The good news is that in today's world, there are many ways for students to earn money without quitting school or spending a lot of money. One of the easiest ways is freelancing online. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork allow students to offer small services like writing, designing, editing, or even helping with school projects. You don't need to have years of experience, just be willing to work hard and do your best. When you deliver quality work, clients pay, and over time you can build a steady income. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and gradually take on bigger projects as your confidence grows. Another great option is tutoring. If you are good at a subject like math, science, or English, you can teach younger students in your neighborhood or even online. Many parents are willing to pay for extra help for their children. And tutoring not only earns you money, but also strengthens your own knowledge. Even just a few hours a week can make a big difference over time. You can also think about creating digital products. For example, if you are good at making notes, guides, or simple designs, you can sell them online. People are always looking for things that save time or make life easier, and your creations can help them while earning you money. Even simple things like printable planners, study guides, or small art prints can become a source of income. If you like a bit of business, you can try small online ventures like reselling products, drop shipping, or print-on-demand items. These don't require huge investments, and you can manage them in your free time. The main thing is to pick an area that matches your skills and interests because it's easier to stay motivated when you enjoy what you are doing. The important point in all of this is flexibility. As a student, you have classes, homework, and exams. Any money-making idea you choose should fit into your schedule. Start slow and gradually increase your effort as you see results. Remember, the goal is to earn consistently over time, not to rush and burn out. Even small earnings every week add up. With the right mindset, persistence, and planning, you can turn your skills into real money that can eventually add up to $10,000 or more. The secret is to see every opportunity around you as a way to practice your skills and provide value. Each task you do, each product you sell, each student you tutor brings you one step closer to your goal. If you stay focused and consistent, what may seem like a small effort today can grow into a significant income over the months. This is the stage where your ideas start becoming actions, and your actions start bringing real results. Now that you have started earning a little money using your skills, the next step is to organize yourself and create a system. Many students try to make money, but they stop after a few days or weeks because there is no plan. The truth is, making a significant amount like $10,000 is not about working randomly or waiting for a lucky break. It's about consistent effort and smart planning. You need to treat your money-making efforts like a project, just like you would with school assignments. Set small, achievable goals and track your progress. For example, if you are freelancing, decide how many tasks or projects you want to complete each week. If you are tutoring, plan how many sessions you can conduct without affecting your studies. This way, you are not just working hard, but working smart. Even earning a small amount consistently each week adds up over time. The most important thing is to stay disciplined. Many students get excited when they earn a little at first, but then they lose focus because it feels slow. Remember, it's normal for growth to take time, and patience is one of your most powerful tools. Another critical part of this stage is time management. As a student, your studies come first, But with the right schedule, you can balance both. Make a weekly plan, blocking time for schoolwork, classes, and money-making activities. Treat these activities seriously and stick to the schedule. Over time, managing your time effectively becomes a habit, and it will allow you to achieve both academic success and financial growth. Tracking your income and expenses is also very important. Write down how much you earn, how much you spend, and where you can improve. This may sound like a small step, but it makes a huge difference in the long run. Many students fail not because they can't earn money, but because they don't track it and lose track of opportunities. When you know exactly how much you are earning and spending, you can make smarter decisions like reinvesting some of your earnings into better tools, courses, or resources that help you grow. One more key factor is learning to improve your skills while you earn. Every project you complete, every tutoring session you give, and every product you sell teaches you something new. Maybe you learn how to communicate better with clients, improve your designs, solve problems faster, or manage time more efficiently. These small lessons add up, and as your skills improve, you can take on bigger opportunities that pay even more. Think of this stage as a combination of earning and learning. Each step you take not only adds money to your pocket, but also prepares you for bigger financial goals in the future. Finally, remember that consistency is the bridge between a small income and a large amount like $10,000. It may take weeks or months, but every action matters. Every hour you invest in honing your skills, every session you tutor, every product you sell, and every small task you complete brings you closer to your goal. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Instead, focus on maintaining a routine, improving yourself, and staying motivated. The key is to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps may seem. Over time, consistent effort grows exponentially, and what started as a small side hustle can turn into a significant income stream that brings you real financial freedom as a student. By now, you've discovered your skills, found ways to earn money, and built a system to work consistently. But making a significant amount, like $10,000, doesn't stop at just doing small tasks. The real breakthrough comes when you start scaling your efforts and finding smarter ways to earn more without adding extra hours to your schedule. This is where your small side hustle transforms into a powerful income stream. Scaling doesn't mean working harder, it means working smarter. For instance, if you are freelancing, you can increase your rates as your skills improve or take on higher paying projects. If you're tutoring, you can offer group sessions or online classes to teach multiple students at once instead of one at a time. If you are creating digital products, think about making them available on multiple platforms or creating variations that appeal to different audiences. Each small adjustment can multiply your earnings significantly. Automation is another secret that successful student earners use. Once you have a process that works, look for ways to make it run with less effort. For example, if you are selling digital products like study guides or printable planners, you can set up an online store that delivers the products automatically. Social media scheduling tools can promote your work even when you are busy with school. Even simple systems like automated invoicing or reminders for tutoring sessions save time and energy. The more you automate, the more you can focus on learning, improving, or taking on higher value opportunities. Another important aspect of scaling is networking and marketing. Let people know about your work. Share your projects with friends, classmates, teachers, or online communities. The more people see what you do, the higher your chances of landing new clients or customers. Don't be shy about showcasing your work. Like, confidence is key. When you consistently deliver value, people are willing to pay more, recommend you to others, and help you grow your income faster than you could imagine. It's also essential to reinvest some of your earnings. Instead of spending everything, consider using part of your money to improve your skills, buy tools that make your work better, or create new products. Reinvestment creates a cycle where your income grows faster without adding extra hours. This approach transforms small efforts into something much bigger over time, and before you know it, the $10,000 goal is no longer just a dream. It's a realistic outcome of your consistent and smart actions. Finally, here's the most important thing to remember. Your journey as a student earning money isn't just about the numbers. It's about building habits, learning discipline, and understanding how to create value in the real world. Each task, each small income, and each lesson learned brings you closer to financial freedom. Start today, stay consistent, scale intelligently, and you will realize that making $10,000 as a student isn't impossible. It's simply a matter of focus, effort, and smart strategies. And here's the punchline to keep in mind. You don't need to wait to graduate to start earning big. Start small, work smart, stay consistent, and watch your $10,000 dream turn into reality.